This is the day mga guys, mga mamshies. I-induce na tayo mamaya. Punta na tayo ng hospital. So see you soon, baby girl. Another ka na. We're in the hospital now. So ito yung delivery room. Merong shower dyan at saka toilet. And dito. And dyan si baby later. We made it in 3 pushes. Baby is in the NICU. We're getting ready to move to the recovery room. What are you doing? So, naka-shower na ako mga guys. Mga mamshies. Naka-shower na tayo. Laki pa rin yung belly natin. And puntahan natin si baby sa NICU and ICU. Kasi nandun siya. Since pagkalabas niya, nilagay siya kaagad sa NICU. Nahawakan ko lang siya for a minute. And then, dinala siya kaagad doon kasi mabilis yung kanyang breathing. So, kailangan mag-lower. So, naka-CPAP siya ngayon. Puntahan natin siya. Let's go!
Put my face in. You close the door.
Oh.
It just depends.
Yeah.
Because boys are more rare than girls are.
Just quiet, please. We're going to see baby. Okay, you look at my white hair. Hi.
Yeah.
What's the last name?
Lynn. F-L-Y-N. So we're here. And you have to scrub the sink first.
Della, what are you looking at?
She opened her eyes.
Della,
You hear daddy, huh?
you wake up? Della, wake up. Open. You see me?
She's smiling. Wow. Look at that eyes. We are here.
You wake up, baby.
Aw.
Della.
You listen to daddy, huh?
You see mommy?
Hi.
You see?
We have a visitor. I got a Thai tea. Naughty booba.
This one.